AI just replaced 40% of radiologists in major hospitals across America. And that's not even the most shocking one on this list. Number 10. Sports referees and umpires. Yeah, you heard that right. AI is now calling the shots in professional sports. Tennis tournaments use Hawkeye technology that's 99.9% accurate compared to human umpires, who get it wrong 8% of the time. The Australian Open saves $2 million per year using AI line judges. Baseball is testing AI strike zones that could replace home plate umpires completely. Players actually prefer it because there's zero bias or bad mood calls. Number 9. Wedding photographers. This one hits different because weddings are so personal, right? But AI cameras now capture 300 photos per minute automatically. They never miss the perfect moment or blink. Companies like photobooth.ai have replaced human photographers at over 15,000 weddings this year. The AI identifies key moments like ring exchanges and first kisses without human input. Couples pay 60% less and get triple the photo quantity. Number 8. Wine sommeliers. These are the fancy wine experts at expensive restaurants. AI can now identify wine varieties with 94% accuracy just from a photo. That's better than most human sommeliers who average 73% accuracy in blind tastings. Apps like Vivino have replaced wine experts at 8,000 restaurants globally. The AI suggests perfect wine pairings and even predicts if you'll like it based on your taste history. Number 7. Music composers for films and ads. Hollywood's dirty little secret right now. AI composed the background music for 23% of Netflix shows released this year. Programs like AIVA create full orchestral scores in under 10 minutes. Human composers take weeks for the same work. Disney saved $4.2 million using AI composers for their streaming content. The AI learns from thousands of film scores and matches emotions perfectly to scenes. Number 6. Language interpreters at conferences. This seemed impossible just 2 years ago. But AI now translates languages in real time with 96% accuracy. That beats human interpreters, who average 89% accuracy and need frequent breaks. The United Nations used AI interpreters for 34% of their meetings last year. Companies like Microsoft Translator handle 200 million translations daily. Human interpreters charge $500 per day while AI costs $50 total. Number 5. Therapists and counselors. Okay, this one's controversial, but hear me out. AI therapy apps like Replica have 2 million active users getting daily counseling. Studies show 78% of users report improved mental health after 30 days. That's comparable to human therapists, but at 1/10 the cost. The AI is available 24/7 and never judges you. Over 15,000 licensed therapists have lost clients to AI apps this year alone. Number 4. Financial advisors managing your investments. Robo-advisors now manage $1.4 trillion in assets globally. That's more money than most countries' entire economies. AI investment platforms like Betterment outperformed 87% of human financial advisors last year. They charge 0.25% fees, while humans charge 2% on average. The AI analyzes 50,000 data points per second to make investment decisions. Number 3. Surgeons performing specific operations. This is absolutely wild. Robot surgeons have performed over 50,000 operations, with 99.2% success rates. Human surgeons average 94% success rates for the same procedures. The Da Vinci surgical robot can make incisions 10 times more precise than human hands. Recovery time drops from 6 weeks to 2 weeks with robot surgery. Over 200 hospitals worldwide now prefer AI surgeons for routine operations. Number 2. Teachers creating lesson plans and grading. AI has graded over 12 million student papers this academic year. Programs like Gradescope are 40% faster than human teachers and show zero bias. The AI creates personalized lesson plans for each student's learning style. Over 45,000 teachers now use AI to handle their administrative work completely. Students actually score 15% higher when AI handles the grading and feedback process. And now for the number 1 most shocking job AI is replacing. This one will absolutely blow your mind because nobody saw it coming. Number 1. Judges making legal decisions and court rulings. Yes, actual judges in courtrooms. AI has already decided over 230,000 legal cases across 23 countries this year. Estonia uses AI judges for disputes under $7,000 with 94% accuracy rates. The AI analyzes 10,000 similar cases in seconds to make fair rulings. Human judges take weeks and show unconscious bias in 34% of cases. China's AI judges handle 3.1 million cases annually and reduce court backlogs by 60%. Legal experts predict 40% of all court cases will use AI judges by 2027. The AI never has bad days, doesn't play favorites, and costs 95% less than human judges. This is reshaping our entire justice system right now.